What if one of your password has already been leaked and you don't even know it? Most people use the same passwords for years without checking if they are still safe. Luckily, Chrome has a built-in tool that can check your passwords in seconds. If you have saved password in Chrome, this is a feature you should use right now. It can help you find weak, reuse and compromised password before they become a problem. So first open Google Chrome, tap three dots, go to settings, tap Google Password Manager. Now select Password Checkup or Check Passwords. Chrome will start scanning your safe password. The tool look for passwords that may have been exposed in data breaches, weak passwords that are easy to guess, reuse password being used on multiple accounts. Everything is checked automatically. After running password checkup, you will get better account security, early warning about compromised password, stronger protection against hackers, identification of weak passwords. Many people think their account are safe until a password get leaked. By checking your password regularly, you can fix security issues before someone else finds them. Take a minute and run Chrome's password checkup today. It's free built into Chrome and could help protect some of your most important accounts. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.